G'day guys, how are you going? Look, if you go exploring out in the Aussie bush, you don't need me to tell you just how important it is for you to carry a first aid kit with you whenever you head out in those times. Now this first aid kit here has been designed by Ironman 4x4 along with Australian paramedics, and it's designed and suited for the rugged conditions of the Australian outdoor lifestyle. So this is a really good kit. Let's check this one out. Okay, so to open this kit up, it's just a couple of zips around there like so. Open it up. And there's the first thing you've got when you open this first aid kit up. Now if you go and do a first aid course, this acronym here will be driven into you so you understand it. Because you really need to understand each of these letters here and what they mean before you start working on your patient. Because you never know, you might have to deal with other situations that are going on around your patient before you start working on them. And this acronym here clearly explains each of the situations that you might have to look out for before you start working on your patient. And just a little tip, if you go and do a first aid course, you want to make sure you understand and read that one, because that will be one of the questions in your exam. So to open the contents for this first aid kit, it's just this tab here, just clearly labelled, pull to open. So just pull that tab out, and there you go. You've got 8 clearly labelled pockets. Just takes away a lot of the guesswork, so it's quick and easy access for any medical situation that you might find yourself in. So to begin with, you've got small wounds in that pouch there, all the gear you need in that pouch, and this pouch here you've got medium-sized wounds, a bit bigger for cuts and things, and in that pouch there you've got larger wounds, snakes and spider bites. You've got burns and cold packs in that pouch in there, triangular bandages in case you've got to put someone up into a sling, a couple of bandages in there. So this is just a really laid out little kit, very easy to get into and certainly easy to understand. And then to pack it up, it's just as simple as that. Fold that away, bring over the lid, couple of zips like so. This is very light little pack too, so you could carry this if you were going out and hiking and that sort of thing too. So this is a great little kit. So if you want to have a closer look at this first aid kit, jump into any Ironman 4x4 shop and go and check them out, or jump on their website at ironman4x4.com, and fair chance I'll see you guys out in the bush someday.